in that 55 to 65 delta range, or probability of in the money. So the 122 would fit that. And so let's right click buy vertical. And then price is trading at about a little less than 120, 119.86, right? So right around here. So that's 2 strikes away. So I'd go another 2 strikes the other way. So 118 would be the put that I would be selling. So we change this to 118. It's trading at a debit of 216. So let's right click and take this to the Analyze tab. And then we can take a look here. So we put our dash here right on the price. As you can see, this is a 50%, 50%. So it's about a 50-50 trade, risking $214 to make, and on the upside, max profit is 186. So again, right at that level. If you wanted to, so this trade can be done in extremely small accounts. I mean, you're using $214 in capital. So the other thing you can do if you want to widen out this spread is I could take this 122 to 123, and you can take the 118 to 117. Make sure you unlock your little lockbox there, and you see what that does. It spreads that out, gives it a little bit more wider range between max profit and max loss. Now we're at about 317. I like this a little bit better because it's just giving us a little bit wider range to play around in. And again, I'm going to be taking this, aggressively managing this. If we get to 25-50% of max profit, banking that profit, and then just redeploying that capital into another trade. So let's go ahead and place this trade. Let's do 3 contracts. You need to do the number that fits your account size. So don't do the same number of contracts I'm doing. If you're following this trade, make sure it fits into your portfolio, not only from the number of contracts, but just from the trade overall. I just like this trade, and it fits into my overall portfolio. I don't currently have a GLD position on. I like GLD to the downside a little bit in the short term, and so that's why we're placing the trade. So right click, confirm and send. Didn't get filled right away, so let's go to the trade tab, cancel replay. Oh, and I did get filled right at 319. So I'm in the trade, and so now we'll just continue to wait and see if we can get a little bit of downside in gold. Some of the other symbols that we're trading. If you look at natural gas has had a significant run down. Had a nice pop on Friday, then it's down a little bit again today. So we'll continue to monitor that. We've got a few positions on in natural gas. If we look at soybeans, the grains, corn, just kind of trading in a range here. We've got a couple positions on in the grains. If we look at FXE, which is the Euro ETF, again, implied volatility it's been when we've got a position on, but now we've got IV that's down at 39 or 40 level, so it's tough to put new positions on in that. And then most of these other, we've got 2 stocks, Costco, that's got higher implied volatility, but that's because we've got earnings coming up this week. All these other stocks that have been through earnings, again, the implied volatility is pretty low, under 30 for the most part. So not much to do in them unless you want to take directional positions. So that's just a quick overview. I'm going to get off here. I've got to go over our positions a little bit more in depth and send out a couple alerts to our Navigation Alert subscribers. So if you like what you see here and you're interested in getting all of our trade alerts, feel free to go to Navigation Alerts on the website. Check it out. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a great week of trading, and we'll talk to you guys soon.